Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw Tether from Robinhood to Crypto.com in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your USDT smoothly and securely. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just exploring new platforms, let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have active accounts on both Robinhood and Crypto.com, and that you hold some Tether in your Robinhood wallet. Always double-check for any updates to policies in 2025, as crypto rules can change. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood account using your credentials. Head straight to the crypto section. It's usually in the main menu or under your portfolio. Step 2. Locate your Tether, USDT, holdings. Tap or click on it, then select the withdraw or transfer option. Robinhood might prompt you to confirm your identity for security. Step 3. You'll need the wallet address from Crypto.com. Open the Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, select Tether, and choose the deposit option to copy the address. Paste this into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Step 4. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any fees. In 2025, expect potential network fees based on blockchain congestion. Aim to withdraw during off-peak times to save costs. Step 5. Review all details carefully. Crypto transactions are final, so verify the address and amount to avoid mistakes. Once you're good, hit confirm and submit. After that, the transfer might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Head back to Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication and keep your devices secure. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.